These silicone covers are pretty cool because you can use them for so many things. Like let's say you're going to cut an apple in half and you want to cut it in half this way for some reason, and you want to save half of it for later, not a problem. You've got these silicone covers. I guess I'll use this one. You've got these silicone covers and they provide a very tight seal around the fruit, and this will be good when you go to eat it later. It's also not going to leave those off gases for other fruits in the refrigerator. Essentially a jar for your fruit. Now let's say you lose the top of a jar. I lost the top of my jar. Well, you've got these silicone covers. Oh, that's the wrong size. I probably need the same one as this apple. You've got these silicone covers to take care of the job. Waterproof, easier to remove than standard. Maybe they're better for people that have hand issues too. Never thought of that. So they come in a set of 4. You get different sizes. This one will work for a grapefruit, larger jars, smaller fruit. Might want a couple. Hope this helps.